Hi there. In this video, we are diving into 3 powerful probiotic-rich fermented foods that can help heal gut dysbiosis, plus 4 easy steps you can take to start using them in your daily routine. On this channel, our goal is to handle diabetes in a way that truly heals the body. We don't settle for any diets that control your blood sugar by harming you in other ways. We also use a free shopping guide for all our daily healing essentials. Just drop a comment saying "Do it to heal" to grab your copy. Let's get into today's topic. 3 powerful probiotic-rich fermented foods that can help heal gut dysbiosis. First off, what's gut dysbiosis? It simply means an imbalance in the composition of your gut microbiota. You have way more harmful gut microbes than the healthy ones. And what has gut dysbiosis got to do with blood sugar? It's a lot. Gut dysbiosis is one of the root causes behind high blood sugar. And here is how it happens. Persistent gut dysbiosis leads to chronic systemic inflammation throughout the body. And when body cells are in this constant state of inflammation, they become more and more resistant to insulin. This is what we call insulin resistance. Insulin resistance leads to high blood sugar when you eat carbs. If you want to heal high blood sugar at the root, you've got to fix the gut. And this is where probiotic-rich fermented foods come in. They are packed with probiotics, which are healthy bacteria that help to bring your gut microbiome back into balance. Fermented food number 1 is kimchi. This is a traditional Korean food made by fermenting cabbage along with different vegetables and spices. Now, I love kimchi because it does 3 very powerful things at once. Number 1, it contains the probiotics that you need to bring your gut microbiome back into balance. Secondly, it's rich in fiber. Fiber is a prebiotic because it provides food and the right setting for your gut microbes to grow and thrive and function at their best. Number 3, kimchi is also rich in antioxidants. Antioxidants are important for your gut because they reduce gut inflammation and create the right pH setting for your gut microbes to thrive and function at their best. And here's the deal. Adding healthy microbes to your gut is important. Just as important is making sure the gut environment can support those healthy microbes so they can thrive and function at their best once they are in the gut. They need to multiply, and in order for that to happen, you need a supportive setting in the gut. Kimchi provides both the healthy microbes and the support they need once they are in the gut. Fermented food number 2 is Koso drink. Koso is a Japanese drink made by fermenting a wide variety of vegetables. We are talking about hundreds of different vegetables. Now, you might be wondering, why does it even matter? Having hundreds of fermented vegetables in a drink made from hundreds and hundreds of fermented vegetables. It's all about variety. Each type of those healthy microbes in your gut likes to feed on a certain type of fiber. One type may like the flavor of fiber from kale. Another one might like the flavor or fiber from broccoli. And when it comes to healing gut dysbiosis, variety matters. Koso provides you with the variety you need because it's made from a wide range of fermented vegetables. That means it contains a very wide range of healthy gut microbes. So this is a healthy fermented drink that provides you with the population as well as the diversity of the gut microbes you need to heal gut dysbiosis. By the way, if you need a complete list of probiotic-rich fermented foods that can help you heal gut dysbiosis, check out the free shopping guide. Just comment "Do It to Heal" to grab your copy. Fermented food number 3 is miso. Miso is another traditional Japanese food made by fermenting soybeans. Miso is really powerful. Like kimchi, miso gives you probiotics and fiber. I want to highlight something very important about fiber and probiotics. The interaction between fiber and healthy gut microbes leads to the production of short-chain fatty acids. Now, these are really, really powerful compounds as far as your gut health is concerned. Their powerful anti-inflammatory benefits reduce gut inflammation. Short-chain fatty acids also provide a supportive setting for the healthy gut microbes, allowing them to multiply, thrive, and function at their best. Miso doesn't just support your gut, it actively helps your gut heal. Now, here is something really important. Don't limit yourself to kimchi, koso, and miso. These are just examples of the power of probiotic-rich fermented foods. There are so many fermented foods out there, and your goal is to eat a wide variety of them because each fermented food introduces its own unique combination of different types of probiotics. You have to remember that as far as gut health is concerned, two things are really, really important. Number one is population. You have to have a really high population of these healthy gut microbes in order to offset gut dysbiosis. Secondly, you need a highly diversified population of these healthy gut microbes. In order for that to happen, you want to eat a wide variety of probiotic-rich fermented foods on a continuous basis. 4 easy steps to heal gut dysbiosis with probiotic-rich fermented foods. Here is how to get started. Number 1, eat a variety of fermented foods, not just one or two types. Number 2, eat your fermented foods continuously, not just once in a while. And here is number 3. Pair your fermented foods with whole plant foods because they are rich in fiber and antioxidants. Number 4, grab the free shopping guide to see exactly what to eat. Just drop a comment saying "Do It to Heal" to grab your free copy. And that's it for today. Always remember, we are doing it to heal. I'll see you in the next one.